What is going on, guys? I want to show you this vintage Bonney refrigeration service wrench. They started making these in 1936 up until about the early 60s, and it has some interesting features. 6 inches long. It has a 1/4 inch square female drive, 16 tooth, non-reversible mechanism. It has indications for opening or closing the valves. And on this end, it has a square 3/16, square 1/4, and 1/2 inch hex with an offset. On the other side of the wrench, you have the Bonney Made in USA markings and a marking for which direction to shut a valve. So that's pretty cool. This is actually a cadmium coated unit which does not have a date code. So this was probably issued in World War II between 1942 and 1945. Let's go ahead and open up the mechanism and take a closer look at it. Okay, so remove this little set screw, and then there's a spring in there that we can also remove. And now that's actually kind of holds that in place, holds this in place. And there, give it a little whack. And here's the gear, and it has these interesting teeth. 16 teeth on this. And the pawl is actually this little, it's like a little cylinder, right, that interfaces with these teeth on the gear. So kind of cool. Again, non-reversible, right? You got to flip the ratchet. I pulled up the 1936 catalog, and on page 39, there's the R22 wrench. Here's it zoomed in a little bit, and you can see that there's other versions of this wrench as well with different ratcheting drive. So this particular unit's a 1/4. There's also, they had 3/16, they had 5/16, they even had a RF25 with a 3/8. So I thought that was pretty cool. I wanted to show that to you guys. The cadmium actually was a really corrosion resistant plating material, so that's why it was used on these ratchets. Thanks for checking it out, you guys.